Hello friends, in this video you are going to learn how to download Instagram apps in your Android or iOS mobile application. So in Android, open the Play Store application. This is the Play Store application icon. Tap on this Play Store icon and here tap on search bar. Here is the search bar. Tap here and write Instagram. After typing Instagram, tap on search button and here then you need to tap on install button. So tap on install button and Instagram application will be start downloading, and after downloading it automatically installed in your mobile device. In your iPhone device you need to go to App Store, and in App Store you install Instagram application on your iPhone mobile. So friends, in this way you install Instagram application in your mobile device. So this is the video for today. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.